Hi guys, we have this Henko Stain Care Detergent Powder. Let's see its review and demo, and we are going to use and test it if it works for coffee and turmeric stain. So MRP of this 1 kg pack is 130 rupees, and the pack claim it has advanced enzyme technology which break down the stain at a molecular level for a thorough clean. So the detergent powder is white in color and the base powder is white with some pieces of blue and red color, tiny pieces, and the detergent has mesmerizing fragrance. I just loved it. So first of all, here I have coffee and turmeric, and to see how it works, I'm gonna try this on this white school shirt. So here is the first coffee stain. Similarly, I'm putting the haldi stain. So the stain removal tip on the pack says wash the stain with water first. So here I'm washing the stain first. Now take a little bit of detergent powder and add a tablespoon of water in it and make a paste of this. Now with the help of small brush, apply this on the stain, rub it little bit. And leave it for 15 minutes. Let it sit on the stain for 15 minutes and then wash it like any regular cloth. Oh wow, it's almost gone. Coffee stain is completely gone, nothing is there. Haldi ka stain, a slight yellow tint is there, but that's okay. Haldi stain is anyway difficult to remove. A big thumbs up for the stain removal power. Now coming to the hand wash, pack says use 2 scoops of powder, and let's see how it turn out. Okay, it create ample foam and it is dissolved well. Scent, I told you, it's pleasant and no detergent residue. And for the washing machine, pack says use 3 scoops of detergent powder, and I'm using it in my Samsung fully automatic washing machine. It works well. The dried clothes also have that mesmerizing pleasant fragrance that you don't have to use any fabric conditioner afterward. So overall, Henko is a great product. I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.